If you've noticed that one ear hears less clearly than the other, it can be confusing and sometimes worrying. One of the most common causes is earwax buildup in just one ear. This can create an imbalance in hearing, making sounds feel uneven or distorted. You might notice that voices sound muffled on one side, or that you need to turn your head to hear better. This isn't always a sign of permanent hearing loss. In many cases, it's simply a blockage. Other symptoms may include a feeling of fullness, mild discomfort, or even ringing in the affected ear. It's important not to ignore these signs. Trying to fix the issue at home with cotton buds can push the wax deeper, worsening the problem. At Hearing First Oxford, an audiologist can assess your ears and identify whether earwax is the cause. If it is, microsuction is used to safely remove the blockage. Unlike syringing, microsuction is dry, precise, and immediate, providing quick relief and restoring balanced hearing. If one ear isn't hearing clearly, don't assume the worst. In many cases, the solution is simple and highly treatable.